Harsh Kumar joins us now. He has a buy rating on Nvidia with a $140 price target. Harsh, maybe give us more of the medium to longer term view. I mean, it's hard to pick apart this quarter anything really, disappointing. But when you look out to 25 and 26, do you think that this demand is going to be sustainable?
Yeah, thank you for having me on your show. We absolutely love the positioning for Nvidia, and we think we are telling people to buy the stock at the open on any kind of weakness and hold it for the long term. This is one of those unique companies that can have wings that basically take it for a pretty awesome growth rate through 25 into 26 and even beyond. The fact of the matter is that there's, Jensen says there's $1 trillion worth of old data centers that need to be converted to GPUs and a similar number of upcoming data centers. That's where your demand's coming from. In terms of the weakness last night, I was really surprised when the stock was down $8 or even $10 at a point in time. But I think those were concerns around the gross margin, like you guys were discussing in the program just before I came on. I don't think those are valid. You have to understand NVIDIA is ramping 4 brand new products simultaneously for high output. They've never done this before. These are new supply chain, new parts. And they're not ramping for cost efficiency just yet. They'll do that in 3 to 4 quarters, and margins will settle out again. We think the law of large numbers will kick in. NVIDIA has been able to grow 100% plus for several quarters now. It's hard to grow when you're a 100 billion plus company at 100% a year. So I think that those numbers will come down, but the magnitude of those numbers will be still better than anything you can find anywhere in the hardware or software space.
Harsh, when you look at the fact that ultimately it's a hardware company rather than a software company, albeit with an amazing level of innovation and protection that comes with it, do you think the margin will come down at some point in the medium to long term or not?
I think the margin may come down a little bit, but I think what you have to understand is that these chips have a lot of software in them. They have software drivers. They have other things that basically have to work with networking, other software that runs on top of these chips. And so I think and then, of course, there's the systems level approach, which is NVIDIA's bundling its enterprise and then giving you the AI enterprise software. By the way, the software business is on track to hit $2 billion run rate by the end of the year. And then they have other software businesses as well. I think a slight deterioration from 75% in the longer term, but not too much more. You have, good companies in semiconductors now doing 60+% very easily, maybe even 65% gross margin. There's no reason why NVIDIA at the cutting edge, providing what the market needs with a lot of software, with a lot of systems, complete approach, plug and play, cannot maintain 70% plus long-term margins.
Harsh, there's some people who believe that the inference part of developing generative AI could change the stakes a little bit. There could be more competition in that space. What do you think? I mean, you need GPUs for the training, but as generative AI moves to more use cases and applications, do you think that NVIDIA is vulnerable at all to some of the competitors trying to fill that space?
Yeah, NVIDIA derives a little bit more than 40% of its revenue, or right around that number, from inferencing today. And I can say that that's probably from lack of competition. And, there's another company, AMD, that's coming up with chips that are suited for inferencing. Long story short, I think inferencing will be bigger than training. There's no question. I've read estimates that suggest 70% of the market will be inferencing. But NVIDIA is suited for both. The chips can be used for both training and inferencing, and they can do that just as well. Now, AMD brings, I think, a better value proposition, but they are lacking in performance at the system level, which is why they made the purchase of ZT Systems to bring that board level and that rack level performance up. But it'll take them a year and a half to do that.